Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to manage an auto repair shop with UPBASE, your 2025 guide. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is to set up your shop on the platform. This involves inputting your shop's details, including the name, address, contact information, and the services you offer. The reason we do this is to ensure that your shop's information is accurate and easily accessible to both you and your customers. Once your shop is set up, it's time to add your team members. You can do this under the Team tab. Here, you can add each member's roles, responsibilities, and contact information. This helps us because it allows for better communication and task allocation within your team. Next up, you'll want to start adding your inventory. You can do this under the Inventory tab. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is helping you keep track of all your parts, tools, and their cost. It will notify you when you're running low on something, which is crucial in avoiding any work stoppages due to lack of parts. Now that we've done that, the next step is to add your customers and their vehicles under the Customers tab. Details such as the customer's name, contact information, and their vehicle's make, model, and year should be included. This is vitally important for record keeping and providing superior customer service. The final step is to manage your appointments. Under the Appointments tab, you can schedule, reschedule, and cancel appointments. Let me explain why this matters. This is where you'll manage your shop's workflow. Knowing when appointments are scheduled and being able to easily adjust as needed can greatly improve your shop's efficiency. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've set up your auto repair shop on UPBASE and are ready to manage it more efficiently. Remember, the key to successfully managing your auto repair shop on UPBASE is to keep your information accurate and up to date. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.